Howdy everybody, welcome to Missouri. We are at a Railfan's Inn. It's also a hotel museum. We got all kinds of cool stuff here, people. It's the LaPlata Inn. We're gonna check this out, check out some of these cool things. And I'm gonna go down to the depot and check it out, guys. See what we can get. We got a California train coming. Stay tuned for the more Jack down the track. Yeah, that's right. The old ratchet rang for these BNSF guys off their shift. Came to stay at the LaPlata Hotel tonight. Look at that. And it's a museum. Got all kinds of little relics around here from the railroad guys. Check it out. So cool. There's a lot more than just that. They even got the old rails here. Right along the back of this hotel, the old rail line used to roll. Pretty neato Frito. Old school. Push carts. Get your nail collection. Look at that. There you go, guys. Going to the Depot Inn and Suites. It's one heck of a place. So last night I'm watching these steam engine shows and really into the railroad and some kind of railroad dream. Cool. What's that? You can't see everything up in this place. You can't. And it takes 3 full days to see everything. Pretty good. Oh, look at that, guys. The Railfan cam's going. Over there in a minute. Catch this California train. Can't see everything in here, guys. Just to show you a little bit here and there. Plenty of coffee, plenty of treats, guys. Come on to the Depot Inn. I haven't been this way yet. Let's take a look. So, oh yeah, we're gonna go see some of those Amtrak here shortly, guys. Check out my videos up here. I was just over there at the lookout cam in Plata. Oh wow. And it's constantly everywhere you look. You got swimming as well. If you want to go for a swim later, guys, go on, take a dip, finish your smokes, and have a cigarette, have a swim. So stay tuned. Check it out, guys. All right. Beautiful Missouri. Howdy, Missouri. This is cool. I like cool pictures you can see. It goes on and on, guys. Let me go check out some of these displays real quick. If you want to see it all, you guys come on down to the Depot Inn. Come on down. It goes like this the whole entire hallway. There's old tools, even got old certificate. I'm gonna be rich. This one's 1983. Is it? Yeah. 1968, guys. Not too far back. Here's my room. My mom's here. She's in there. And let's check out the rooms. You guys are gonna like this. Really great rooms. Really clean. They smell so good. So nice. Cable TV. All right.
Yeah?
Hello, Ma.
What?
Check out the rooms, fellas.
You're doing my room?
Yeah. Look how nice. All right, you guys. I'm going to be down there in a minute. So hang loose and hang tight. We got a 7 o'clock train coming. For the more Jack. Down the track. Look at that. What a beauty. Love you, Mom.
Love you.
She won't take it easy there, guys, in that room. She's been out. I gave her a workout today with all kinds of running for trains and checking out stuff in Missouri. Look at this. Some cool uniforms. uniforms. Look at these old Amtrak uniforms. Sure fit right in there. Here's uniform. Where my mom wanted to show me. Forget where exactly. Oh, so cool, guys. So cool. Hey, fella, what you doing? I might have filmed that caboose at one time, guys. You never know if I've been there. All kinds of caboose episodes up there. Check them out, guys. It's really beautiful. Look at this tie grabbers. Wow. Well, guys, that's about everything. Come on down to the depot, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna go head on to the depot. It's time. Yo, stay tuned. Get on that Railfan cam. See if we can make some music and action happen. Down the track. Oh, so beautiful. I really like this one over here, guys. I like this. Look at that. Oh, my favorite. Alright, let's go. Gotta catch a train. Alright, you guys, look at this. Looky here. We made it to the LaPlata Depot in Missouri. Howdy, howdy. Alright, I wanted to get here before that sunset. Look at that pretty sunset in the distance, ladies and gentlemen. What a beauty. Stay tuned. There might be some trains. Check this out. For the more jack down the track. Woo. All quiet for now. Alright, look at La Plata Depot, people. Whoa, what a pretty sunset here in Missouri. Oh, yeah. Ah, here it is. The Railfan cam's over here, guys. 200 or so watching. I'm around 200 of you guys watching this camera right now. I see it. I see ya. There she's, the Railfan cam. Oh, what a pretty night, guys. What a pretty time to be out here. Check. People crossing, making sure they're crossing safe over here. Look both ways before crossing. Trains come up quiet. Trains come up quiet on you. Well, what a beautiful sunset, guys. Who can ask for anything more? Got your old soda machine. I've had enough soda, enough sugar. I don't know if I like that cane sugar inside of Coke. The cans, I don't know. It tastes weird in the can. It's great in the glass. I don't like that sugar in that can. It makes it, I don't know. Anybody else have that opinion? Something about Coke with cane sugar is not so good in a can. It's malty. I feel like I'm drinking a malt shake or something. My teeth are bad enough. I gotta go see a dentist soon, you guys. I'm gonna be pretty busy, working hard, Railfan, and bringing it to you. Look at that sunset, guys. Missouri sure did show us today. Check out those episodes above. What a beautiful sunset. It's where they all sit, hang out, smoke if you're gonna smoke. Wait for a train, come by. Just be careful, don't step over that yellow line right there. My mom, I think she's watching. Is she watching? You guys like that? Nothing better than hanging out at a depot on a beautiful night like tonight, guys. Look at this place. It's like a Railfan dream, guys. No wonder why they have a camera out here. It's quite a place to hang out and watch trains. Yeah, take a sit and drink it in. I feel like you're in a Bob Ross or a Norman Rockwell painting over here. I'm getting that vibe, guys. I feel like I'm back in time here with these trains still rolling around. I'm trying to go quicker than just 55 miles per hour these days, right? I say when floating cars come around and when you get drone flying vehicles, these railroads are really going to take off. You won't have to worry about crossings anymore. And that'll free up the railroads. Ironically, I think that's quite the irony that the future may hold a good opportunity for railroads in the future when some of these old roads you see will become railroads again. Gone are the days of the bike trail when the drone flying vehicles come along. It's so good to get out here, guys, and away from all that news and noise on the TV. What a beauty. Might be a night train today, guys. I don't know, Amtrak, sometimes it runs late. You know, they got to slow down around them curves. So it's a 7:15 appointment for California. Stay tuned for the Mojack down the track. Yeah. Too cool. All right, you guys, gonna be a night train. Night train. Why not? That's a good thing anyway. We got good lighting here at the LaPlata depot. We'll make do with what we got. And you know what? I'm gonna go where all you Railfan fan cams are at. You're all watching over here. Told my mom I'll catch this California train. She's gonna come pick me up in 2 weeks at the LaPlata depot. And she comes, baby. Yeah. Yeah, babies. Come on, boy. Zep knocked me off my boots. That must have been going about 60. Man, I'm surprised you're going that quick right there. Man, Scared to death something was hanging off that train. Alright, guys. Check you on the flip side. Wore out. Been a long day. Been a long day, man. I got some trains over on that abandoned bridge. Not an abandoned bridge, a closed bridge. Alright. I'm back home. There we go, guys. I think this is it. Cali. Oh. About time. Didn't think it would ever show up, guys. Here she is. Mayonnaise. Load 'em up. Add 'em out. We'll make this quick, in and out. I'm just filming. All aboard. Going to California, California, here they come. Some people dropping off. LaPlata, welcome home. Welcome home to Missouri. Wish I had that job, guys. I'm in the right shirt for it. Going to California. Stay tuned. They're rolling up an hour here, an hour and down. We got no time for this. Kansas City, here we come. Going to Kansas City. Yeah! Haha! Rolling down the bend. Woo! Woo! And there she goes, babies. Woo! Got the train, fellas. What a beauty. I'll get on that train too here shortly, one of these days, guys. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Ripborn, good time in Missouri here today. Check out those episodes, guys. A lot of good ones. All right, man. Furthermore, Jack. Down the track.